create a staging site is very much easy. First, install and activate the WP staging plugin. After that, go to plugin section and click skip and start cloning. Now click create staging site. From there, you can select your site name. I'm going to use the name as a WP testing. I'm going to fully convert my site, so I will select all of the table from there. Also, you can select which file you want to convert. For using the advanced filter, you have to purchase the Pro version. Right now, we don't need those settings. Now click start cloning and the cloning will be started. It will take a few minutes. I'm skipping the video. After completing, I will come back again. So we are done. Now click open staging site. It will ask username and password. You have to use your current username and password of your live site. Now we can see our site is fully ready and exit the same size of our live site.